This video will give you a quick overview of how you can use this program to generate position versus time graphs. So we will begin by clicking on the Start button, and you'll see that the person in the rowboat begins rowing through Cooper River. And what you do is you'll have your students pause the video each time the front of the boat reaches one of the markers, and the student will write down the position of the boat and the time it took the boat to get there. You do not need to have the student watch the entire race. They can just collect maybe 5, 6, 7 data points, should be sufficient to get the feel for the race. After they collect the data points for the first trial, they can go into the paddle menu and they will be able to change things like how quickly the person paddles, how strong the paddler is, the mass of the person in the boat, and whether or not there's any river current. So I would suggest the students changing only one variable, so they can do it first for someone who is Odyssean in strength. Then they can increase that to someone who is Herculean in strength. They can then decrease to other strengths and plot out the data for each of the different paddle strengths. They again just collect data like they did the first time, and they would do this for each of the different trials that they're going to do. This will be a great way not only for them to do position versus time graphs, but for them to learn how to do multiple data sets on the same graph.